for the right vehicle? Check out the 2001 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, power door locks, power windows, passenger airbag on/off switch, CD player, passenger airbag, fourth passenger door, power outlet, front disc rear drum brakes, cloth seats, passenger vanity mirror, third passenger door, privacy glass, pass-through rear seat. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.